Question number 22. A charge plus q and a charge plus 2q are at a distance 3x apart. Okay. Point P is on the line joining the charges at a distance x from one of the charges. What is the net electric field strength E at P at the direction of it? Now what we do is this will, now let me put one unit positive charge. Okay. So if I put one unit positive charge over here, I'll find out what is the electric field due to this 2q on this charge. So what will happen? This 2q, this plus 1 charge would be drawn like this over here. Okay, and the electric field acting at this point would be right here, k 2q divided by the distance whole square, 2x the whole square. Okay, that is not 4, 2x the whole square. Okay, and now due to this plus q charge, this would be k to q divided by x square. Now what we do is, what is the total field here? See, one vector is acting like this, one vector is acting like this. The two oppositely directed vectors, you just need to take the difference between, right? So if I consider this direction as positive, this direction as positive, then the net field acting at this point would be kq by x square minus, because if this is positive, this should be negative, right? So this 2 and this is 2x the whole square. So this will become kq, 2kq divided by 4x square. So therefore 2 1s are 2 2s are kq by 2x square minus kq divided by x square, which will now be equal to kq divided by x square. Kq by 2x square, where is it acting? It's acting in this direction. Net direction is like this, right? Because this is the largest. So, what's the right answer here? The right answer here is it's acting towards the right, and kq by 2x square. So right and kq by 2x square, and the